Hello, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Nexo. Nexo is a digital finance platform that lets users manage cryptocurrency easily and securely. It combines crypto earning, borrowing, exchanging, and storage in one place, accessible on mobile apps and the laptops. And once you have successfully created your account Nexo, the next important step is your logging in. Logging in allows you to securely access your crypto assets, earning and account features. Let's go through the process step by step in detail. So first you need to open to the web browser such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox or Safari. And in the top search bar you need to type down nexo.com and you need to enter it. Over here, when you reach to the Nexo dashboard, you'll see in the top right corner there we can see there's a login. You need to click over there, and in the first field you need to type enter your email address that you use when you're signing up for Nexo, and make sure the email is spelled correctly and has no extra spaces. And next move is to the password field. Carefully enter your account password, making sure caps lock is turned off. For security, the password will appear as hidden dots. Or if you want to log into other passkeys, your Google and Apple ID, you can find this option as well in order to log in. And after you're done with the email and the password, you can click over here that says login, and it also says the verification. So you are also required to enter the code sent to the email for the verification. And over here you just successfully log into your Nexo account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to log into Nexo account. If you have any problem or trouble, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.